3D company. I mean, yeah, it's got a handle. Does anybody actually ever grab their pen kit and carry it around by the handle? Post in the comments if you do, so that I can glare at you like this. I don't care that it's tight, and I don't care that it's got a handle, and I don't care that it's designed to be carried by the handle. If you regularly grab your pen kit and walk around with it like a briefcase, just don't. Don't. No. No. Just don't do it. I'm here to tell you that it may have a handle. Don't use it like a briefcase. It's not a briefcase. It's a pen kit. If you want to carry it around, you carry it around like a pizza pie. Like a pizza pie. You don't carry a pizza pie like a briefcase because then all the cheese will fall off the pizza and it would be terrible. You carry it like a pizza pie like this. Or a tray of food. You don't carry a tray of food this way. You carry it this way. Not like that. Like that. Just FYI, pro tip, whatever the fuck you want to call it, don't carry your pen kit by the handle. Okay. I'm glad we got that out of the way. Yeah, instead of the handle there, they need to put them. I know then idiots will be like, oh, look, I can carry it from either side. That would be way worse than regular way. If you carry that would be monsterish if you carried it that way. Long story short is this was if you're not on the Discord, which I hadn't done a link, like I don't know if anybody else wants to be part of it or whatever, but like it's a thing that this 3D printer and you're supposed to be able to flip the kit up. And I can see you, getting into the habit of being like, oh, let me just flip it up. And then boom. So you know what? If you buy something like that, you kind of deserve it. You kind of deserve it.